Hello, my smart friends. Are you ready to learn sounds with me? Let's begin. Today, we'll be learning sound blending. Sound blending. Cog. Cog. Oh, g. K, oh, g. Cog. Cog. Dog. Dog. D. Oh, g. D. Oh, g. Dog. Dog. Fog. Fog. Oh, g. Oh, g. Fog. Fog. Log. Log. L. Oh, g. L. Oh, g. Log. Log. Well done. You did a great job today. Keep practicing your sounds. See you next time. Bye.